happy birthday po, Nanay. I wish you all the best.
What else? God bless you more. God bless you more.
God bless you more.
Good health.
Good health.
O, sige na. Ano pa masasabi mo kay Nanay? Batiin mo na siya ng batiin. Bigyan mo siya sa...
Nanay!
I hope you enjoy your day.
I hope you enjoy your day.
And your party.
And your party.
Ikaw, kung ano gusto mo sabihin kay Nanay, sabihin mo.
I hope someday
I hope someday you come here.
come here.
So you can, so your, I mean,
If
so
we can.
so we can
And
celebrate,
have-
celebrate your birthday right here in our house.
Yes.
What else?
Ikaw din?
I wish you really come here right now. Ang wish ko po sa inyo, sa lahat po kayo ang your family to go here and visit our house.
Yes. Yun ang prayer natin para sa kanila. Sige, ako naman ha. Happy birthday, Nay, and wish ko sa inyo good health. And lagi kayong masaya. Kahit wala kami dyan, pero we still nandito pa rin kayo sa amin. I know. lagi namin kayong kasama. Birthday mo ngayon, 60th birthday. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Nanay.
Sana na-surprise ka sa ginawa namin na to, and I hope you enjoy your birthday today. At maraming pang birthday na dumating sa inyo. We love you and we miss you so much. Ikaw naman eh.
Yeah, happy birthday, Nay. We wish you and pray for a long life at healthy body palagi. At kahit hindi niyo po kami kasama dyan, we know that na lagi kayong masaya. We pray na pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon ng mahabang buhay pa at malakas na pangangatawan. We love you. Are you sing happy birthday to Nanay?
Joshua, we're gonna sing for you. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Let's sing all together.
Okay, you sing happy birthday.
Ready, set, go.
Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nanay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Oh, ito na si
Enjoy
Faye.
your day and
This is
your
Joycey.
party.
And this is coming. One more coming. So, family
One more
mommy.
baby coming. It's now gonna turn into a boy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for that.
Okay, thank you. And
Thank you.
thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-organize nito. For sure, magiging masaya si Nanay.
There's something
And I
missing.
hope, paano ba to? Thank you. Basta thank you na lang sa inyo lahat. And sa pag-uwi namin sa Pinas, wala pang plano. Thank you and we miss you all. God bless you all.